how to add Microsoft Authenticator to Outlook. The first thing that you need to do is Google search for login Microsoft, click on the first website here, and you will sign into your account which you want to add Microsoft Authenticator for. Now right here, once you have logged in, then we will just click on security. You want to select security here. I'm just gonna pause. Okay, so once you're taken to the security section, you will click on manage how I sign in. Okay, so right here you will see the authenticator icon, and you just want to click on it and you will select to add it. Now once you have clicked to add it, then it should generate a QR code. Then you will open up your phone, and here once you are within the Microsoft Authenticator app, you will click on the plus sign in the top right. Then you will choose your account type. For example, here we can do personal account or work or school account, and you will select scan the QR code. This is going to initiate your camera, and you can use that camera to scan the QR code which we just generated on our PC, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.